That sound. That feeling of watching a memory develop right in your hands. It's magic. But in 2025, which instant camera truly delivers that magic without the blurry, overpriced, disappointing photos? We went on a photographic adventure, shooting over 500 instant photos with the top 5 cameras on the market. One had film costs that made us gasp. One had a feature so cool, it changed everything. But the number one pick wasn't the one you see all over social media. The truth is developing right now. Starting at number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini LiPlay. Best digital instant camera. With its compact size, excellent image quality, and a myriad of additional features, the Fujifilm Instax Mini LiPlay came out on top as the best instant camera that we tested. Its sleek and thin design makes it incredibly easy to carry around, as it will fit in any bag in most pockets. Many of the smaller cameras sacrifice image quality for portability, but not this one. The LiPlay is a hybrid that utilizes the best parts of digital and film, all in one convenient and compact package. The review screen, in-camera filters, and frames offer quick and easy creative control over the image, and the digital storage option allows for more than one copy of a photo to be printed. A world of possibilities opens up with the use of a compatible app. By connecting your phone to the Mini LiPlay, features like remote capture, timestamping, and adding recorded sounds via a scannable QR code are easily accessible. Although some of the prints came out a bit dark, this camera's numerous settings give the user more creative control, enabling them to get a great shot in any situation. There is a little bit of a learning curve to the Mini LiPlay. Though the ability to make adjustments in the camera's settings is helpful, the additional control features, particularly those offered by the app, require a bit more time to grow accustomed to. When using the autofocus setting, the printed photos often turn out dark, so it's important to get the settings just right for different types of light. Also, the camera is less point-and-shoot ready, so it's more challenging for anyone to just pick it up and start snapping pics. If you're shopping for an instant camera that you can easily pass around a party, other models require less time to figure out, like the Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1, which is a film camera and a bit more straightforward. Overall, we love the Instax Mini LiPlay's supreme portability, high-quality photos, and numerous creative options, and it's our favorite of the bunch. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1. Best instant camera for film. If you're looking for an instant camera that takes great photos without needing to mess with settings beforehand, the Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 is a nice, easy-to-use option. Along with being straightforward to operate, this camera produces square mid-sized photos, which are among the most accurate with their range of colors in various lighting conditions. The stunning images displayed vivid blues, rich reds, vibrant yellows, and lush greens, with realistic highlights and contrast. The design of the SQ1 is modern and stylish, and its performance was consistent and reliable throughout our testing. We happily kept reaching for this camera, as it excels at capturing fun and cherished moments by simply pointing and shooting. Even though the SQ1 is user-friendly and consistently takes great pics, it doesn't allow for much creativity. While it does have a selfie mode and a little mirror to help with framing, that's as far as the additional settings go. There's no adjustable flash, timer, filters, or multiple exposures, so the controls are as minimal as it gets. The biggest annoyance with this model is that the film packs are susceptible to jamming. This only happened to us with 2 packs, but it's worth noting because, along with wasting film, it caused the shot counter to malfunction and display an inaccurate reading. Fortunately, this hiccup wasn't a constant occurrence, and we found this camera to be otherwise reliable in its functionality and ability to produce amazing images. Folks who desire more creativity with their film camera should check out the Lomography Lomo'Instant Wide. Number 3. Lomography Lomo'Instant Wide. Best image quality. Many people are drawn to instant cameras because the format and flexibility are fun and offer creative opportunities. The Lomography Lomo'Instant Wide is a great option for more experienced photographers or those who don't mind taking some time to get familiar with their camera settings before use. This camera provides far more adjustability than most of the others, as it comes equipped with interchangeable wide and macro lenses, color flash filters, a lens splitter, and the ability to take multiple and long exposures. These extra features are backed up with beautiful photo quality and an extra-wide format that clearly shows a wide range of colors and smaller details. In fact, the Lomo'Instant Wide had the best color accuracy and consistency of saturation of all the cameras we tested and did the best at adapting to the different lighting conditions, proving its high-level capability in any situation. Number 4. Fujifilm Instax Mini 99. Most advanced Instax Mini camera. The Instax Mini 99 matches Fuji's popular Instax Mini film format with a camera that goes well beyond single-button operation. It includes an exposure dial for better results in difficult lighting, supports double exposures, and has several shooting modes that help you capture specific subjects and scenes. The camera uses the same lens as the more affordable Mini 12 and Mini 40 but builds in an optical vignette mask and LED lights that add color filter effects to your analog snapshots. Altogether, it gives you more creative control than any other non-digital Instax. Avid photographers who want to use an analog-only camera for instant photos should put the Mini 99 at the top of their list since it allows for shutter timing and exposure value adjustments. The Instax Mini 12 and 40 simply don't give you that level of control. Number 5. Nons SL660. Best instant camera with interchangeable lenses. If you crave the creative flexibility of interchangeable lenses, but still like the idea of Instax square film, the Nons SL660 is worth a look. It works with Canon EF glass and creates better photos than basic instant cameras with fixed, plastic lenses. Photographers after ultimate creative control should consider the Nons SL660. The ability to change lenses opens up macro, wide-angle, telephoto, and blurred background photo opportunities that simply aren't an option with most instant cameras. The SL660 costs more than others on this list, but we think the results are worth the premium. And that's the full picture, developed from all our testing. No more wasting money on film that doesn't deliver. To help you capture your own memories, all the direct purchase links for these cameras and the best deals on film are waiting for you in the description below. If this photo journey saved you from a bad purchase and helped you find your perfect camera, please do hit that like button, share this with your creative friends, and subscribe for more content that helps you capture life's best moments. Now go make some memories.